If you want to create an automation on the Samsung Galaxy S26, we can open settings on your phone. Then over here you should be able to find modes and routines, and then we can switch to routines at the bottom. Routines are pretty much automations. If you tap on this plus button that we have at the top, you can choose the trigger, so what should happen in order to make the automation start. And as you can see here, the list is quite long, so you can choose pretty much anything that you can think of. And once you select something, we can even choose start manually. By the way, you can also add multiple conditions, I believe, as long as it is not the manual start. So you can, for example, make a couple of different conditions, and that can be checked before the automation starts. And of course, afterwards, we need to choose what should happen when those conditions are met. So let's say we can apply an effect like beep once, for example, or toggle the edge lighting effect, or stuff like that. So let's say we're gonna actually use the effect. Let's say we're gonna use the edge light, and we're gonna choose like a basic edge light. And there we go, we can tap on save. We can set up the icon and the name for this mode. And now in here we should be able to tap on this plus in order to activate the effect. It's barely visible, but I can see like slightly this edge light. I believe we can also add the mode to the home screen. Let's see if that is really the case. We can actually add to the game booster. We can set as widget. We can also duplicate it. We can of course edit our routine or automation. We can also share it if needed. And that is pretty much it. Now I'm gonna also check if it is actually possible to find the routine. I guess we will have to use a widget for that. So if we set a widget, we should be able to add it to the home screen. There we go. So we can use that instead. Unfortunately, we cannot make it smaller. It has to be 2 by 1 at least. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.